Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best portable power station. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best portable power station for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. In today's tech-driven world, a portable power station is essential for camping trips, outdoor events, and emergency situations. These compact units offer a reliable power source for devices ranging from smartphones to small appliances. Here's what to consider when choosing the right one. Measured in watt-hours, (Wh). This determines how long the station can power your devices. For basic needs like charging phones or laptops, 300-600 Wh is typically sufficient. For higher demands, look for 1000 Wh or more. Check the number and types of ports available. USB ports, AC outlets, and DC outputs provide versatility for charging multiple devices simultaneously. If you plan to carry the station for outdoor use, consider its weight. Models under 20 pounds are ideal for portability, while larger units may offer more power but can be cumbersome. Look for stations that can be charged via wall outlets, car chargers, and solar panels. Solar compatibility is especially beneficial for extended outdoor use. Ensure the power station has built-in protections against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting for safe operation. A portable power station is a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or wants peace of mind during power outages. By evaluating capacity, ports, weight, recharge options, and safety features, you can find the perfect